Chai AI versus Character AI. Let's get started. So Chai AI is a mobile-first chatbot platform with thousands of community-created using characters, including NSFW, built for casual roleplay and chat adventures. Character AI, on the other hand, is a feature-rich browser and mobile chatbot per platform, with millions of users-made characters, including voice calls, personal creation, and deeper memory tracking. So let's talk about their pros. So for Chai, it offers expressive bots, freedom-first design, fast improvements. However, it has some memory with downside. So the memory is weak, the UI has no editing, deleting messages, and has ads, and this also have an unpolished UX, which the response quality and consistency can vary. Now, Character AI, on the other hand, offers natural coherent conversations, advanced features like personal creation, voice chat. They have a large quality character library as well, with extensive vetted and richly varied choices. However, they are also overfiltered, they have an inconsistency creep, and the privacy and glitch concerns. So in conclusion, Chai AI offers before freedom and expressiveness, but lacks the polish and memory, while Character AI provides stability and structure, but with tighter restrictions.